All right, so a lot of people on Instagram and YouTube ask me all the time how I develop my characters or how to improve with drawing or anything like that. I am asking that question as well all the time. I'm in school learning more. The answer is almost obvious. It's just to draw more and practice. I don't have any secrets. I'm no magician master, but what I can do is share my experience with developing characters and drawing and in perhaps, helping someone who watches this video. So that's pretty much all I got. This is the character that I'm talking about, but for this case, I went straight into watercolor, right into the watercolor sketchbook. I don't usually do that, but I guess I was feeling crazy then. I painted this 8 months ago, and I have a lot of characters that are similar to this, brains and cyclopses, and I like to sometimes derive characters from past works and base them off that, do another rendition or tweak them a little because I like the core idea. So that watercolor kind of sat for like 8 months. I didn't really look at it, but when flipping through this old sketchbook, I was like, I kind of dig that. I really want to do this again or the same thing. So I just took a picture with my iPad, put it right into Procreate, great app, and from there I just basically copied it exactly because I wanted another rendition. I wanted that same idea in another medium for a lot of reasons, just for fun, no reason at all, but also to practice and improve and just, recreate it, repeat it. Procreate, the app on the iPad, is a great utility. It's very easy to tweak things. It's pretty much Photoshop, everything you could ever need. And it came out, pretty much identical. I changed the colors, I made it a little cleaner, just things here and there. And so finally I was like, wow, I like this character so much. I want to paint it big scale. I want to go to the local skate park and find a big wall and do that. I wish I can do that for every character, but this guy I really wanted to do. Like a week after doing it digitally, I just went to the skate park on a 90-degree beautiful day. It was so hot that the iron lac cans that are black were basking in the sun so long I couldn't grab them with my hands. They were so hot. I had to wrap like paper or something around them. But I got her done. I actually don't like the mural I did as much as the watercolor and digital painting. I don't know why it didn't come out as well as I wanted to, and that happens. It was still fun, it's fine, and it was still a process and, action of repeating, so it just, soaks into my creative arsenal even more. Yeah, it still came out great. I think it's fun to share and show the video, and that's what I'll leave you with. The mural at the skate park on a beautiful hot day. Hopefully this perhaps lets you into my process a little more. I can't really say anything else other than practice and draw more. I am currently always trying to tweak my process and learn other skills and things to improve in all aspects of art. So I'm right there with the people yearning to learn. Yeah.